Hello. I am here to you.
Hey. No, you are not. This is my job, Thunderbutt.
Oh. First of all, it's Thunder, not and if I were you, I'd flog your with that siren right behind you.
What? Where is he?
Ooh. How are we supposed to this? Neither one of us has or I don't know. Maybe try them out like this.
ATI green screen effect. ATI green screen effect. ATI green screen effect. ATI green screen effect.
You know that the laws of can't move objects. Only an outside force can an object. Hey, Waylon, why did you throw an at me? Because, Thunder, you were being Wait, maybe I could try sucking them.
Oh my god. Thunder.
Ow. Wow. 1003. You saved my and you came back after I you.
Yeah, it's because I just couldn't bear to see you die. Hey, why is there on your face?
Waylon over there threw one at me while I was, quote unquote, being a
No. Well, I'll it.
you.
Wait, you've got something on your
What? Where? Oh, I can't wait to get today. This is a test. This is a test of the Waylon hardware system. This is only a test. Hey, who are you? I'm Thunder. Who the are you? I'm Waylon. I'm here to you. What? Why? Because you are old and I'm a No one messes with the Thunder. Swat, what? Ooh, where's the Oh good tea. Thunder Now, ooh, where's this bull? Oh, there's one.
No. Hey, what the heck is going on with you guys?
We are really tired, because you us up all night. I tried to make but my bull threw the into my face. I'm not your bull, Thunder. I'm T128. The tornadoes you into my face. Idiot, I am not an idiot. 2001 is. He couldn't until it was morning.
I couldn't control it. I got last night. I tried to but my was stuck. Eventually the tornado siren dudes came and then the good as new.
Oh, okay, fine. At least you're Wait, you. You were 2001. Wait, that was ATI in disguise, wasn't it? Yeah, I am the real T128, and I am here to you. Now I have to take What the is your problem? I'm sorry. I a toilet. Well, I'm not. By the way, who are you in my I'm Thunder. Who the heck are you? I'm I'm a new tornadoes madness. Oh, well that's great. Falling. You.